fun is if we made swords today out of balloons. And I can show you how to make 2 sword balloons, one for pirates and one for knights. So whichever one you like better. Now, I thought maybe we could do a yellow balloon for the knight sword. So we're gonna stretch it out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm gonna take my balloon pump and I'm gonna blow it up nice and tall. Because for our sword, we want it to be as big as possible. Whoa! Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I made this. This might be one of the biggest balloons ever. Can you see how long it is? My goodness. We're gonna tie it on the end. Just let a little air out of it. And then, boy, this one is sure tricky. I think it's because it's the longest balloon I've ever made in my whole life. Okay, now see how long it is? For a knight sword, I'm gonna fold over once, and then I'm gonna fold it over again, and then I'm just gonna squeeze in the middle, like so. And I make a handle for the sword, and you have to straighten the tip, of course. And I knight you a royal knight. Boop. That's fun. That was a good knight sword. Now, if you're a pirate and not a knight, then we need to learn how to make a pirate sword, right? So I'm gonna put the knight sword to the side, and we should do a different color this time. Maybe blue. Blue's a good one. So I'm gonna stretch this one out. Remember, we don't want it to pop. Even if it does, that's okay, but I'm gonna try to prevent it from popping by stretching it out. And now, I am gonna put the tip of the balloon onto the balloon pump, and we're gonna give it a few pumps. Let's see if we can make it as big as we made the other sword. Okay, higher, higher. Whoa, this might even be bigger than the other sword. I can't believe it. The pirate sword happens to be my favorite sword. I just think it looks really neat. So what you're gonna do is you take your long sword, the one point on the end, and you fold it over just once, not twice like the other one, and then you squeeze the middle so you have a little ball right there. And then you just twist, 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 twist. And then we're gonna make 3 other balls. So we go 1 here, same direction. I'm going towards you. 2 and 3. See how I made 3 like that? And then watch this. I'm gonna stick this through the center here. And I just made a pirate sword. And this one should be curved a little because pirates have a little bit of a curve to their sword. I think that's amazing. Now you can see we have a knight sword and a pirate sword. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, that was fun. Good job learning with me today. Hope to see you soon.